Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 1 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 1 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter 2 and 3 dimensional shapes. Then we'll start the chapter subtraction skill builders. So here I am on grade 1 math. Let's just start with the chapter that is 2 and 3 dimensional shapes. Let's start with the first lesson that is name of 3 dimensional shapes. So we are given the shapes, we have to see what shape is this, right? That's a completely round shape, right? It has no flat surfaces. So the shape is sphere. The correct option is sphere it is, right? Okay, the next one is what shape is this? Again, that's a completely round shape and the shape has no flat surfaces. So the shape is a sphere. The correct option is sphere. Okay, what shape is this? That's a cone. The shape has a vertex and a base, a curved shape and a circular base, right? The shape is a cone. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Here you have a live chat button, right? If you need help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button and tutors are available there, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, what shape is this? Which is the correct option? Cone it is, right? The shape has a vertex and a circular base. So that is a cone. The correct option is cone. Okay, what shape is this? Which is the correct option? Sphere it is, right? The correct option is sphere. Option number 3 is the correct option. That's a circular face, the same like ball. So that's a sphere. The correct option is sphere. What shape is this? Which is the correct option? Again, that's a cone, right? Option number 3 is the correct option. What shape is this? Yes, that's a sphere. Option number 1 is the correct option. What shape is this? Yes, again, that's a sphere. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, right? They are only there. You have only cone and sphere, right? Okay, the next one is count the shapes Faces. Let's just start with the lesson. You need to count the faces of the shape, right? The first one is how many faces does the shape have? That is the cube, right? The given shape is a cube. And faces are the flat surfaces of the shape. So for this shape, you have six faces. This one and on the opposite side, you have the same shape, right? So this shape has six faces. Look, the first one, the on the opposite side, the second one, the third one on the opposite side, the fourth one, the fifth, and sixth. So the cube has six faces. The correct option is six. Again, how many faces does this shape have? 8, 5. Cube has six faces. Again, you have a cube, so the cube has six faces, right? The same like shoebox. Go get the shoebox and count the faces. No. Yes, same like shoebox, right? Just look at this face. How many faces does this shape have? This face is exactly same as shoebox. So this shape has six faces. The correct option is six. How many faces does this shape have? Which is the correct option? The correct option is the correct option is six faces. The shape has six faces. That's a cube, so cube has six faces. How many faces does this shape have? The shape has six faces. Option number one is the correct option. The shape has six faces. How many faces does this shape have? Which is the correct option? The correct option is six faces. How many faces does this shape have? Which is the correct option? Yes, again, the shape has six faces. I think all the shapes have six faces in this test questions, right? So we need to move on to next lesson. How many faces does this shape have? See again, you have six faces. Okay, let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is identify faces of three-dimensional shapes. Let's just start with the lesson. Does this shape have a circle as a face? No. The shape is a cube and cube has all the faces that are square, so no, circle is not a face for this shape, right? Does this shape have a circle as a face? So the correct option is no, the shape has all these squish faces that are square. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Does this shape have a circle as a face? Which is the correct option? No, the shape is a cube and cube has all the faces that are square. Does this shape have a circle as a face? No, the correct option is no. Does this shape have a triangle as a face? Yes, it is. The correct option is yes. Okay, no, the shape has no faces as a triangle. Does this shape have a square as a face, which is the correct option? Yes, all the faces of the shape are square. The correct option is yes. Does this shape have a triangle as a face? The correct option is yes, the shape have so many faces that are as a triangle, right? Do does this shape have a circle as a face? The correct option is no, the shape has no face as a circle. Does this shape have a triangle as a face? The correct option is yes, the shape have triangle as a face. Does this shape has a square as a face? No. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. We are done with the chapter 2 and 3 dimensional shapes. We are going to start with a new chapter, that is subtraction skill builders. So basically, we're going to learn how do we subtract, right? Whatever number it is, the concept is exactly same. All the numbers you subtract exactly the same way. So we're going to start with the first lesson, that is subtracting 1. We're going to learn how do we subtract. So there are so many ways to subtract. You can find a way that is to take away. 2 take away 1, right? You can make the two lines, the greater number is 2. So you can make two lines and then remove one of them. And you need to count the one that are not crossed. So only one of them is not crossed, right? So the correct option is 2 take away 1 is 1. And the other way is you can start with the smaller number and count up till the greater number. So start with 1, and when you start with 1, you count until 2, you have only 1. So 2 take away 1 is 1, right? Basically, subtracting 1 moves back means you are moving back one digit, right? Just look at the next one, 6 take away 1. So when you subtract 1, you can make 6 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and one of the line. Now you can count the lines that are not crossed. So 5 of them is are not crossed. So subtracting 1 means you move back one digit, right? So 6 take away 1 is 5. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. 1 take away 1, which is the correct option? So subtracting the number from itself always makes a 0, whatever number it is. When you are subtracting from itself, the answer is 0. 1 take away 1 is 0. Option number 1 is the correct option. The next one is 2 take away 1. So which is the correct option? 2 take away 1. You just move back one digit, right? So 2 take away 1 is 1. The correct option is 1. The next one is 5 take away 1. So which is the correct option? 5 take away 1 is 4. The correct option is 4. The next one is 1 take away 1. Again, you are subtracting a number from itself, right? So subtracting a number from itself always makes a 0. So the correct option is 0. The next one is 8 take away 1. So which is the correct option? 8 take away 1 is the correct option is 7. So 8 take away 1 is 7. Option number 3 is the correct option, right? Okay, the next one is that is 2 take away 1. So which is the correct option? 2 take away 1 is 1. The correct option is 1. 2 take away 1 is 1. Option number 1 is the correct option. 4 take away 1. So which is the correct option? 4 take away 1 is the correct option is 3. 4 take away 1 is 3. So option number 1 is the correct option. 4 take away 1 is 3. The next one is 3 take away 1. So which is the correct option? That is 3 take away 1 equals 2 option number. The last option is the correct option, right? 3 take away 1 is 2. The next one is 7 take away 1. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 7 take away 1 is yes, 6 it is. The correct option is 6 option number. The last option is the correct option. The next one is subtract 2 take away 1. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 2 take away 1 is 1 option number. 2 is the correct option, right? So you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So basically we are learning how to subtract. So subtracting all the numbers are exactly same, right? The method is same, just the numbers are different. So we'll do the rest of the lessons in the next session. We have started with the chapter two-dimensional shapes, two and three-dimensional shapes. We have done with the chapter. Then we have started subtraction skill builders. The lesson we have covered today is subtracting one, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. If you still need help with any of the lesson, here you can see the button live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, right? So that's all for today. If you have any questions related to the lessons we have just finished, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So that you can ask questions if you have any. I'm here to answer all the questions if you have any. Yes, that's so easy, but still we have to cover, right? Whatever easy or difficult, we have to cover everything. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.